is Tanya Rowling. If you people are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you people are not, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I definitely recommend you guys to check my other videos as well. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 NCERT Syllabus and my sister Tina Lopez would be teaching CBSE Class 8 NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Okay guys, now let's read the question. So the question is, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. So this is the question. In this also we are going to be using Euclid's division algorithm. I had already uploaded what is Euclid's division algorithm. Do watch that video. So in this Euclid's division algorithm, we follow certain steps. By using those steps, we are going to be solving it. First of all, I have a question for you guys. We have to find the greatest number and the smallest number. So today you guys are going to be finding the greatest number and the smallest number. I'm going to be giving 5 seconds or 10 seconds for you guys to find the greatest number and the smallest number. So I had written 196 and 38,220. So in these numbers, which is the greatest number? Can you guys figure it out? So the greatest number is 38,220 and the smallest number is 196. As you guys know, 196 it is smallest and 38,220 it is the greatest number. So we are going to be writing the greatest number inside, that is 38,220. Let's write the smallest number outside, that is 196. So as you guys know, 196 into 1 it is 196. We are going to be writing 1 here and we get 196. Now let's subtract this. So here's 2 is smallest and 6 is greatest. We are going to be borrowing it. So when we borrow, here it is 12 and here it is 7. Here 7 is smallest and 9 is greatest. So we are going to be borrowing it. So when we borrow, here it is 17 and here it is 2. So 12 minus 6, it is 6 and 17 minus 9, it is 8 and 2 minus 1, it is 1. Now let's take this 2 down. So now it is 1862. So as you guys know, 196 into 9, that is 1764. So we shall write 9 here and we get 1764. Now let's subtract this. So when we subtract, here 2 is smallest and 4 is greatest, so we have to borrow this. So when we borrow, here it is 12 and here it is 5. Here 5 is smallest and 6 is greatest, so we are going to be borrowing it. So when we borrow, here it is 15 and here it is 7. So 12 minus 4, it is 8 and 15 minus 6, it is 9 and 1 minus 1, of course it's 0. Now it is 98. Now let's take this 0 down. So now it is 980. So as you guys know, 196 into 5, it is 980. So we are going to be writing 5 here in the quotient part and we get 980. Now let's subtract this. So when we subtract 0 minus 0, it is 0 and 8 minus 8, it is 0 and 9 minus 9, it is 0. So what's the remainder? So the remainder is 0 and this is A, that is 38,220 and this is B, that is 196. And what is this? This is quotient. Okay, now we got remainder as 0 just in one division. So in this, you guys might have a doubt. So the doubt is, why did we get 0 just in one division? But in the previous subdivision, that is the first problem, we didn't get 0 just in one division. We did several divisions and then we got 0. But in the second case, that is the second subdivision, we got 0 just in one division. Why is it so? That's because after subtracting these numbers, that is 382 minus 196, we got a value, that is 186. And then 2 and 0, these two values were over here and it was left out over here. That's why we took 2 down here and then we subtracted it. After subtracting it, we got 98 and we took 0 down here. Why did we take 0 down here? That's because 0 was left out. So we took 0 and it was 980. But 196 into 5, it was 980, which is exactly similar to this one, that is 980. So when we subtracted it, we got 0. So what I'm trying to say is, so if we have some other values left out over here, we have to solve it, we have to subtract it, and after that we get a remainder. It might be 0 or it might not be a 0. So make sure that if you have a values over here, please subtract it and take it down and then subtract it. And then one more is left out, take it down and subtract it. And you get a remainder. If the remainder is not 0, you're going to be applying Euclid's division lemma. After that, you're going to be taking the B value and the odd value and you can continue with the next division. Okay? I hope you understood what I was trying to say. Okay, now let's apply Euclid's division lemma. So what's the formula? Can you guys remember the formula? So the formula is A is equal to B into Q plus R. So by using these formulas, by using this formula, we are going to be putting values. So in A place, we are going to be writing 38,220 because the A value is 38,220 is equal to, in B place we shall write 196. Why are we writing 196? Because the B value is 196. Into, it is in the multiplication form, so I wrote into Q. Q means quotient. So what is the quotient? So the quotient is 195. So I am going to be writing 195 plus, in R place I am going to be writing 0 because the remainder is 0. So after writing these, that is Euclid's division lemma, after writing this, what we can do is we are going to be finding the HCF. Why? Because we got the remainder as 0. Now we can start off with writing the HCF. So what's the HCF? So as you guys know, according to Euclid's division algorithm, we have to take the divisor as its HCF. So what's the divisor in the sum, in this division? So the divisor is 196. So we are going to be taking this one, that is 196, as its HCF. So the HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. So this is the HCF. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and help your friends by sharing this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.